My proudest moment is getting through the ERP system project that we were working on last year. And
my proudest moment so far about working at Okuma is actually becoming permanent. When I was a temp, my goal was to work hard and prove that I deserve to be here and that I earned a spot a part of the Okuma team. So that will have to be my proudest moment.
My proudest moment working at Okuma would be when I hit my 30-year anniversary. They threw me a surprise party, and it was you just don't see that too much these days. So it was a very proud moment to reach 30 years at Okuma.
One evening I was actually in the bank after work, still wearing my uniform, and a young guy came up to me and he was kind of taken back. He said, "Hey, do you work for Okuma?" And I said, "Yes, sir, I do." And we just got to talking, and I came to find out he actually was enrolled at York Tech and was going through the machine tool program. And he saw Okuma as a company that he looked up to, a company that he would love to work for one day. And at that moment I was kind of taken back. I was not only proud to work for Okuma, but I was realized I was grateful to work for a company that has worked so hard to build such a reputation within our industry. So